the opportunity to deliver my presentation. I think I will be very brief and will not go through all the slides. I think I will first present about the university. Our vision is to be a world-class research university, and to fulfill that vision, our mission is to provide research-based higher education in the areas of science, technology, humanities, art, and culture. And also to provide higher education that empowers people and improves their quality of life, not only in Indonesia but also in other countries. 2 years ago, Universitas Indonesia, or graduated into UI, also the faculty of law, and in the 20s they also established the faculty of science and engineering in Bandung, which is now known as Bandung Institute of Technology. So then also during the Japanese administration, the medical school is known as Ikadaigaku. I think that's also meaning medical school, right? And but it's very short, only 3 years. And then when the Dutch came back to Indonesia and we fight for our independence, so the Dutch administration in Dutch occupied territory, they established the North University. I know that this is meaning emergency university. I heard that North University is emergency university. And when the Dutch give the sovereignty to Indonesia in December 49, then 2 months later the university became Universitas Indonesia in February 50. That's the history about UI. This is the staff number, the executive and managerial, the main executive managerial position. There are 1 rector or president and 3 vice rector, then 1 secretary to the university and 11 director, 8 head office and 12 dean, and also 2 head of program, which is similar to the dean. General academic staff is professor more than 200, then doctor, which is not professor, because in Indonesia the carries start with assistant, then lecturer, senior lecturer, and then professor. So the number of doctor, they are perhaps lecturer or senior lecturer. Okay, it's more than 600. Master degree more than 900. Specialist and bachelor. Well, bachelor is mainly from older generation. They have the experience but lack of academic background. But according to law, in 3 years' time, well, the minimum requirement to be a university teacher should be master degree. So I think in 3 years they will be master or to be asked to retire. Oh, sorry. This is the faculties and programs. There are 12 faculties and 2 graduate study program, graduate and vocational study program. The graduate study program operate the multidisciplinary program, whereas the faculty manage the from undergraduate to postgraduate program. Well, this is the facilities. We have 64 research center and more than almost 200 laboratories, laboratory, auditory, and so on. This is the number of students as of February 2011, this month. That's more than 46,000, and usually it will increase to, I think, 48 or 49 in August, because the main student intake is in August. And now the graduates, every year we graduate, the number of graduates is around 12,000. 8,000 in from the even semester, and the other 4,000 in odd semester. This is the average months of seeking employment based on our track study. So you know that's the most, well, the most severe to those who graduate from the maths and natural science have to wait until 10 months to get their first employment, whereas the graduates of the law only 3 months, also dentistry, you know, because, well, we need much lawyer in Indonesia because there are several problems. Okay, this is the program. In bachelor degrees we have 55 programs, study programs, and 66 in masters and 37 in doctoral. We have 21 in vocational level, but it is now managed by separate unit, and some of the program is now phasing out. Also, they offer the 6 profession program, ranging from doctor, medical doctor to accountancy and so on, and also specialists mainly for the in the medical school. Well, this is the internationalization strategy in UI. We have 4 aspects in international engagement, international knowledge transfer, international learning and teaching, and international research. In international engagements, for example, we have bilateral cooperation, regional cooperation, and government-to-government cooperation. In international knowledge transfer, for example, we have industrial cooperation and cooperation with local government, both in Indonesia and neighboring countries. And international research, we have cooperation with several universities in 3 knowledge areas: health science, natural science and engineering, social science and humanities. And also the 4th aspect is the international learning and teaching, which comprises the student exchange, double degree program, sandwich program, and visiting scholars. This is the geographical location of those who has cooperation with Universitas Indonesia. This is examples of cooperation agreement, which is new or renewed in last year. This is from Asia, Australia, Europe, and also from the America. Academic cooperation with industry and private sector in last year. We have cooperation with focused clinical drug development in Germany to be the center of excellence in medicine. Also other cooperation such as the Southeast Tobacco Control Alliance. This is the student sponsor, who sponsors student participation, and this is the source of countries of international student in UI. We have also a program with affiliation and ask some professor from other university to be a young professor in our country, in our university. This is the International Association, the ANU, AUN, APRO, and so on, and also this distribution for our scholars. This is the number of programs, undergraduate program offering double degree. This is the master degree, and now we are now in the future we will be improving the student mobility in double degree programs, and we also in biomedicine. This is doctoral with University of Newcastle. Also, as part of the own credit transfer system, we are now the secretariat for the SCDS. I think because the time is up, that's all. Thank you very much.